Hello, 大家好 Welcome back to my channel. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by memorizing endless Chinese verbs? And how the textbooks teach you every single verb one by one, which makes you feel exhausted? Well, today I'm going to share a native Chinese secret. We have a set of lazy purpose verbs. They are all common simple action verbs. Well, what confuses most learners is they don't have only one solid meaning. They are flexible and can replace dozens of professional verbs in daily life. So instead of memorizing 100 verbs, you just need to master these few magic words. Then your Chinese fluency will improve quickly and you will just sound like a local. Today we will learn the top 5 must-know lazy verbs. We start with the most frequently used one. 打. Its original meaning is to hit, but in real daily Chinese, we use it much more than just hitting something. It has become a general verb for daily activities, communication, transportation, or even sports. For examples, 打车 to take a taxi, 打电话 to make a phone call, 打篮球 to play basketball. And actually, we use 打 for most of the ball games in Chinese. 打乒乓球, 打羽毛球, 打台球, 打棒球, 打排球. The only big exception here is football, because you actually play football with your feet, not the hands. 打扫 to clean up, 打饭 to get food at the cafeteria, 打水 to get water, 打伞 to hold an umbrella. Now let's put some of these short phrases into a full sentence. 下班以后，我先打车回家，再打电话给家人。After work, I take a taxi home first, then call my family. Repeat after me. 下班以后，我先打车回家，再打电话给家人。Here is a simple rule to remember when to use the lazy word 打. So we use 打 for most of the ball games, taking taxi, making phone calls, do daily cleaning, getting meal, or holding an umbrella. It acts like a general all-purpose verb for common daily activities. The second verb, 做. 做 is another basic and universal lazy verb. It works almost exactly like the English do and make. It is the safest choice when you don't know which word to use. 做饭 to cook meals. 做运动 to do exercise. 做事情 to do things. 做作业 to do homework. 做生意 to do business. 做朋友 to be friends. 做选择to make a choice. 做计划 to make a plan. It can cover a lot of daily routines. Study, work, business, relationship, plans, and all kinds of common activities. So you don't need to memorize a different verb every time. 晚上我喜欢做运动，也会自己做晚饭。I like to do exercise every evening, and I also cook dinner for myself. 暑假的时候，我会做作业，然后做学习计划。During summer vacation, I do my homework and make study plan. Repeat after me. 晚上我喜欢做运动，也会自己做晚饭。暑假的时候，我会做作业，然后做学习计划。Next verb, 上 It basically means to go to. 上学 to go to school. 上班 to go to work. 上课 to have a class. 上网 to surf the internet. 上厕所 to go to the restroom. 上楼 to go upstairs. 上床 to go to bed. Or have the intimate physical relationship. You know what I mean. Let's put them in some sentences. 我每天早上上班，晚上睡前上网放松。I go to work in the morning and surf the internet to relax before bed. 你们聊，我先上楼上个厕所。You guys chat. I will go upstairs to use the restroom first. Repeat after me. 我每天早上上班，晚上睡前上网放松。你们聊，我先上楼上个厕所。So basically, we use 上 to express going to somewhere. It's a general everyday verb, covers going to school, work, having a class, using the restroom, going upstairs, or getting into bed. Next verb, 放. The core meaning of 放 is to let go or to release. 放学 to finish school. 放烟花 to set off fireworks. 放水 to release water. 放风筝 to fly a kite. 放东西 to put something somewhere. 放假 to have a holiday. 放学以后，我们一起去放风筝。After school, we fly kites together. 放假那天，我们放了烟花。On vacation day, we set off fireworks. You see, all these phrases have the core meaning of release. For example, the phrase we just learned, 放学 to finish school. In the other way, the school release you. Or 放烟花 to set off fireworks. You release the firework. Repeat after me. 放学以后，我们一起去放风筝。放假那天，我们放了烟花。The last verb, 弄. 弄 is the softest and the most flexible daily lazy verb. It can mean make, fix, break, or casually handle some daily small things. 弄坏 to break something. 弄丢 to lose something. 弄干净 to make something clean. 弄头发 to style hair. 弄明白 to figure something out. 弄脏 to get something dirty. So it's really a very casual, flexible daily verb. 我不小心弄坏杯子，还弄脏了桌子。I accidentally broke the cup and dirtied the table. 我弄不明白他为什么总弄丢钥匙。I can't figure it out why he always loses his key. Repeat after me. 我不小心弄坏杯子，还弄脏了桌子。我弄不明白他为什么总弄丢钥匙。Great! Now that we have learned the 5 lazy verbs one by one, let's make a simple and clear summary for them. 打 used for ball games, making phone calls, daily cleaning, taking taxi, getting mail, or holding umbrellas. It works as a general all-purpose verb in daily life. 做 means do and make in general. We use it for daily routines, cookings, exercises, homework, business, making plans, and so on. 上 mainly used for going somewhere, such as going to school, work, class, upstairs, restroom, and so on. 放 mostly means to release or let go something, such as having a vacation, finishing school, flying kites, running water, and so on. The last one, 弄 a very flexible, casual verb. It can mean to fix, break, prepare, or clean up something, and so on. It can replace many specific verbs in relaxed conversation. So now you know, native Chinese don't always speak with precise or specific or professional verbs. We prefer these flexible, lazy verbs to keep our talk easy and relaxed. Now it's quiz time. Try to fill the correct lazy words in these sentences. 我每天搬 I go to work every day. 放学以后我车回家 I take a taxi home after school. 小心别丢你的钥匙 Don't lose your keys. 我晚上自己饭 I cook dinner by myself. You can write your answers in the comment section and I will check them for you. So instead of wasting time memorizing hundreds of rarely used verbs, mastering these 5 all-purpose lazy verbs is the smartest shortcut. Then that's all for today's video. If you learned something from it, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!